welcome in to another woolly review. Today we are going to do Scheepjes Wanderlust. Now this is a DK and asks for a 4mm hook, and so Beany is going to be helping me today. Hello. She's not going to be eating my hands, I hope. Now the colour 467 Amsterdam. Not that we're here for the colour, but then some of you apparently are. So, okay, that's all right. 100% acrylic. 100 grams, approximately 232 metres. All the details I will put down below for you to have a peruse in the description. What I will say is this is remarkably soft, but completely reminds me of Starcraft Cabaret and also Signet. I've forgotten the name of it. Give me a second. Literally the second I stopped the camera I remembered. So it's very, very similar in look and feel to Starcraft Cabaret and Signet Boho Spirit, both of which I've had bad experiences with in the past because of major yarn bath. Major. Now this is a slight roving. You might be able to tell that you've got a couple of thinner bits and a couple of thicker bits. It's not major, it's just ever so slight. Feels lovely and silky smooth. The cheapest that I found this is at Knit and Yarn for £3.99. But I'm going to test it out and let you know what I personally think. So, I would probably use a thicker hook, bigger hook. Oh my gosh. Beany's going to tell you what she thinks too. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 high beans, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have no idea how many I've done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I only need to do 14. It's only a little swatch. We're good. 14 is perfectly fine. So, first, oh my gosh, Beany. The first row is going to be single crochets. Not my word. Now, like I said, it's very, very silky, soft. So it is gliding onto the hook nicely. I have a feeling it's going to do the same as the Signet, the same as the Starcraft, and it's going to just completely twist itself, which is going to be a real pain in the fuzzy butt. Oh my gosh. She has to get involved. What are you eating? There's nothing to eat. My word. Stop playing. They're my toys. Of course, I'm sitting on her throne, so she's like, well, where am I supposed to go? You're on my throne. So get off it and I'll get off. Ta-da! Not yet. I've got a review to do. Okay. So there is the single crochets. Now I'm going to chain 2 and do some half doubles. And we're not here for my crochet technique. They granted, yes, you can judge all you like because, you know, freedom of speech and stuff. but this is purely to see how this works up. Are you going to come round? Thank you. Now I don't know if I've done double crochets or half double. I'm supposed to be doing half double. Supposed to be doing half double. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody help me. Oh my gosh, it's splitting. Half double crochets, Lisa. Half double crochets. Supposed to do a full row of half double crochets. Definitely would do a larger hook with this, but as with any review, I am literally using the hook size recommended by the company. One on the end, and then we're going to chain 2. This is splitting. One, 2. Okay. And we're doing doubles now. That's not half doubles, Lisa. That's standard doubles. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I'm counting, because I don't need to. Squeaking a fair bit. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but Lisa, if you shut up, they might be able to. Not exactly a fan of squeaky yarn. Okay. I like the way it shows the stitches. Let's go with that for now. Turn and do another row of singles. And here she comes again. Oh my gosh. Does it just sit on top of the stitch markers? What are you doing? Keeping them warm? Hatching them? Oh my word. Oh my word. So there's the singles done. So I'm going to do one more row of half doubles. I'm dreading frogging this. It feels perfectly fine in the hand, but I can feel it twisting. It hasn't yet, but I can feel it, like it's getting thinner. Instead of being nice, silky, smooth and fluffy, it's starting to get a little thicker, denser rather. Dense would be a better word for it. Stitch markers go onto my Etsy store every weekend, new designs. If you want to go and take a look, please do. It's linked down in the description underneath all the information about this wool. Let's do one more row of doubles. So I'm going to chain 2, and then after these doubles we will dare to frog. I'm amazed it hasn't twisted quite as much as the Boho Spirit or the Cabaret, but it's definitely got a lot of potential there. If I used it for a little while, I'm pretty certain I'd end up in a twisted mess. Pretty sure. Okay. So there's the swatch. It's got a nice sheen on it. It hasn't changed colour yet, so it's certainly got a longer colour change, which could be handy. But in this one, you've got all those autumnal colours, the purple, the gold, the bronze, the dark copper. Now let's do the bit that I'm dreading. Whack. So we're going to start with a slow frog, and already it's caught. But we're taking it slow for the first bit. Second catch, third catch, fourth catch, and only one row frogged. Five. And then a fast frog. Next catch. Next catch. Yeah, this isn't good if you're going to frog. I mean, there is a little bit of fuzz on it anyway. But I recall how bad Cabaret and Boho Spirit are for frogging. Oh. No, it's not going to. There's no way you can fast frog that. You've got to take your time. Whack. Yeah, I'm not going to go any further than that. I'm done attempting it. Thank goodness this is one that's in my stash. So it's only me that's got to put up with it. So I will cut that off momentarily before I put it back in my cube. But my opinion on Scheepjes Wanderlust. Thank you for the help, Beany. I appreciate it. Oops. Would I be extremely annoyed if that was the only DK silky shiny wool in the shop? No. Would I be, oh, that's all you've got? Oh, fine. Go on then, I'll take it. No. But I'm not going further than that. 2.5 for my personal opinion on the Scheepjes Wanderlust. It's a lot of money for the ball. It's really horrible to frog. You've got to be careful with splitting. It will have a tendency of twisting. I'm amazed it didn't do it quite as much on that small swatch, but I know what it's like when it gets, you know, when you've been using it for a while. So I'm sorry, Scheepjes Wanderlust is a 2.5 for me out of 10. Maybe someone down below has used it and they've really, really enjoyed it. We're all different. This is just my personal opinion. And this has been the Woolly Review. And next week, there'll be another one. Hopefully, I'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.